Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. So, here I have some pictures for you. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is a mobile phone. And what is this? Yes, these are some letters. And what is this? Yes, here someone is talking on telephone. So, can you tell me that for what purposes we use them? Yes, we use these things to talk to the people who are far from us and to whom we want to send some messages. And do you know what are these called? Yes, these are called means of communication and we use them to communicate to the people. So let's know something more about it. The process by which we convey our messages or express our feelings to others is called communication, and the devices that are used to convey or receive messages are called means of communication. But in old times, pigeons were used to deliver messages. Later, messengers were sent on the horses to send messages, but in those times, it would take days to these messengers to convey one message from one place to another. But later, we developed letters and we can write our messages in letters and send them to the people to whom we want to convey these messages. And what is this? Yes, this is telephone. And on telephone, we can communicate to any people anywhere in this world easily. And this is a fax machine in which we can send important letters or documents easily from one place to another. And yes, these are mobile phones. These are the latest means of communication which are widely popular nowadays. And on one click, we can video call or simple message to anyone in this world. We can use email, we can use WhatsApp, we can use Messenger. There are so many apps. And what this man is doing in this picture? Yes, he is reading a newspaper. Do you know in newspaper we can read news about our country or about our world? This is a radio. In radio also we can listen some news or we can listen some songs. Can you guess this means of transport? Yes, this is a television. And in television, we can see news, we can see movies, we can see live sports, and we can see so many things. So, there is a task for you. You have to make a list of means of communication which you use in your daily life. Thank you.